welcome to our frog dissection. First, remember to have your gloves on and safety eyewear.
And then, to start,
We're gonna cut from the stomach.
Yeah, you want to cut from down here all the way to up here, and
about.
you will cut through a bone, but it is pretty easy to cut through. And you kind of want to cut through a little bit of muscle. I'll start right there. But you don't want to go too deep because you might hit the organs.
Which would be bad.
Yes. Oh,
I think you. Oh,
there's some juices.
Okay. Just like that. And then, don't you want to cut from hip to hip?
Yeah. So you want to make sure you have all the way from here to here. Okay. And then, oh, I didn't cut deep enough because if the muscle isn't cut, then you need to go deeper. But you don't want to.
You want easy access to the organs.
And then once you do that, so you have the cut and there's no muscle. You want to
Cut from
go
hip to hip.
Yeah. And then you want to go a little past the hip even.
So you can get
Yeah,
all
so
the
you
way
can
around.
go like to there. And then you want to cut this hip.
Then at the top, you'll want to cut from arm to arm.
So you start at you want to go a little under the arm. So you want to cut like this.
You want to try this side?
The girls will have X. This one does not appear to.
Not yet. And then you want to make sure that you can peel that open so you can see everything. And then you want to cut the little skin flaps off.
So you won't get them in the way.
Yeah. And this does not go on your part sheet. That is.
Just put that to the side.
Yeah.
We don't need those.
But also you want to make sure you have your part sheet on hand. Okay.
So the bluish round parts are the livers,
Yeah.
and then that part like above it is the heart.
And then under the livers, you can see the stomach. This one's got a pretty big stomach. And then small intestines.
Which connects to the large intestine.
Yeah, which is under there. And then it goes out. I think we're actually going to take the heart out first.
Okay.
So I'll cut from the top of the heart. There's veins going into the heart, which is most of what you want to cut. Okay, and then to see if you cut it all, you just take the tweezers and you lift it up, and it's still connected to the liver. So you need to get under the heart and cut. Oh, I cut a little bit of the liver, but that's okay. And then you take your heart and you put this on your part sheet under the thing that says heart. And then we can attack the livers. So you want to take the livers off. It should be pretty easy now that you've got the heart out.
He's in the hallway. Okay. What question do you want to take out your tongue? Or is it still going? It's on camera. Okay, let's take it down to a regular video and we'll then run to the eye.
So the heart right there, that pumps oxygen rich. Oh, we got a little organ still connected to that liver. The heart pumps oxygen-rich blood to the rest of its body.
And actually, like right underneath the liver, you can see the gallbladder.
Yeah, in fact, I believe it's the connected. So I got one chunk of the liver. Okay, so these pink little organs on both sides are the lungs. So you want to snip those out. Oh. Oh, these might be a little hard to get out. Oh, there's one. Put that on your part sheet. Oh, also put the liver on the part sheet. I don't know if I said that. Then you take the lungs.
Once you got the tongue, you can place it on the part sheet where it says tongue.
Here, let's see if we got that out yet.
Wait, okay, push play to the video.
Can you see them?
3, 2. The tongue is the part of the frog that helps
Second one out.
Yep, then you take the second one. You also put that in your part sheet. Here, I'm gonna move the skin flaps. And then the esophagus goes right there, and then the stomach.
We're gonna take out the stomach next. Oh, don't forget the gallbladder.
Which one's that? Is that
I think you took it out. It was with the lungs. Oh yeah, actually just that.
yeah? So then the
That little, like,
gallbladder,
ball.
which was connected to the lungs,
It's like that little bowl
Yeah.
there.
or not the lungs, it's connected to the liver.
Do you think you could hold it
Right
closer
there.
to the camera?
Can you see it?
Yeah.
So the gallbladder, it's a little gray. Can you? That little gray, like almost pouch-like thing. That also goes on your thing. And then you want
We're
to
gonna take the stomach next.
So this is the esophagus, and then you want to take
Like, so maybe cut up higher.
like here. So then you want to cut the stomach out.
The stomach is pretty easy to get out.
I'm gonna take a few snips though.
There we
So
go.
then you got the stomach, and then the veins are connected, so you want to snip those, and then you can also snip where it's connected to the little intestines. So then that's your stomach. Something in there. That's your stomach right there. You can put that on your part sheet, and then where you
Cut out
left
the small
off.
intestine next, probably.
Yeah. So there's more veins. You just want to cut those. Veins kind of look like wires because of how bright they are. And then you can tell where the big intestine is because it just goes into that little bigger, short tube-like. So then you got your little intestines. You can put that on your part sheet.
Then we're gonna do the big intestine, which is actually connected to the small intestine. It's just right underneath it.
So right there, that's the big intestine. You want to snip that right where it goes into its legs.
And put that on your part sheet too.
Yep. So that's your big intestine. And then what do we want to take out next?
Let's do the fat bodies.
Okay, so
They're
the
the
fat,
little, like yellowish things on either side.
yeah, they almost look like flowers in there. Those are the fat bodies.
And you'll want to take those out and put them on your part sheet too.
Yeah. So then that's your fat bodies. You can take both of them out because there's one on each side. And you might have some extra ones in there, so it should be fine. Then I believe this right here.
Is this spleen?
Yep.
So we're gonna cut that out. Put that on your part sheet.
And you don't have to use the scissors for everything. You can.
A lot of
Go
stuff is
between.
pretty easy to take out.
So the kidney is that black part right there. So you want to cut off. Make
Cut
sure.
around it.
Yeah. Oh, we still got some. It might be hard to see. I'm gonna cut this out. This is the esophagus. Do we need? So the kidney removes waste products from the blood and produces urine. And so you want to cut around. There's like a membrane around the kidney. Just want to cut that.
The lung is located above the fat body.
And then just cut the kidney out. Try not to break it. I might have broke it, but then, oh, there's some veins on the underside. Oh, look at that. There's some blue veins on that side, red vein kind of in between. And those are your two kidneys. So put that on your
Part sheet.
perch. Can you
Then we need
pause
to
it?
do-
So if, now we're on to the testes, and if you can't find them, look around because in fact we've cut them out with our, what are these called?
The fat bodies.
The fat bodies.
We just didn't notice them, so don't do that.
Yeah, make sure you look for them because they can be hidden. So can I see that well? So right there, you can see there's a little testy,
And then
there's another one on the other. So
and then you'll put that on your part sheet.
yep.
Now we will be finding the tongue.
Yeah. So if a frog tongue, our tongue connects in the back and it goes down our throat, but the frog tongue is actually the other way around. Can you see the mouth? So you gotta pry the mouth open. It can be a little difficult. And then you wanna make sure that you hold it, and then
That little part there is the tongue. So
Yeah.
you want to cut that out as best you can.
so you flip it out because a frog tongue is connected in the front. So you need to flip it out, which can be a little difficult. It looks kind of like this, and then you want to hold it.
And snip, snip.
Yep. And then that is a frog tongue. You want to put this.
Under the part sheet. Or on the part sheet under the tongue. So next I think we're going to take out the eyes.
Okay.
Or
So
eye lenses to be
I
exact.
don't know if there's a way.
So now we're going to take out the eyes. We were instructed that the best technique is to stab, twist, and pull. Apparently.
Don't know if there's a better technique. If you have it, use it. But you want to get that eye out.
And then the eye lenses will be the hard part of the eye.
So there's a little layer over the top, which you gotta get in there. Take the eye out if you can.
Something just popped. So Alexi is getting the eyes out. I'll tell you a little bit more about the frog. So the large intestine stores undigested food. So yes, feces. And oh my goodness. And then the frog's liver is actually very similar to humans because both livers help to filter blood. And actually, believe it or not, frogs and humans have very similar respiratory systems because they both have a trachea, bronchial tubes, and a larynx. I think I said that correctly. And the spleen removes old blood cells and breaks them down. The stomach stores food and mixes it with enzymes to begin digestion. A frog's small intestine involves the digestion of food and absorption of nutrients. And then the frog's tongue is longer and more narrow than humans, so they're not very similar. The frog's brain is not very similar to a human's brain because by comparison, the human cerebrum is very large. Obviously, a frog's is not.
We got a lens.
Oh,
So the lens is the hard part in the eye. You might have to dig for it. It's feels like a marble almost.
yeah.
Oh no.
Careful not to pop it though.
Yeah.
The eyes will pop.
Yeah, so be careful if there might be liquid squirting out of it. So you put this on your part sheet, and then we move on to the brain. The brain is going to be really hard. So, yeah, you can continue.
Okay, I'll just continue. So the kidney of a frog is similar to a human's because they both regulate blood pressure. Then the function of the lungs is very similar to humans. Air is forced into the lungs by muscular contraction of the floor of the mouth and retained in the lungs by closure of the glottis. And then a human's heart is similar to a frog's heart because they both pump blood throughout the body, which is obvious. We know that. And a frog's brain functions by controlling automatic functions. It makes the frog move, and it controls other nerves. And then the function of the frog's gallbladder, it stores bile produced by the liver. So that is all my information.
So what I'm doing here to get the brain out, or attempting to, is
You probably won't get the brain out because it's probably the hardest part of the frog to get.
yeah,
But
we
at least
can-
try to see it, you know?
yeah.
So we cannot find the brain because we probably destroyed it.
Yep.
So we will find a way to put a picture in to show you.
Yeah, and this has been our frog dissection.
Woo!